We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello, my name is Virang Patel. I am Assistant Professor in Electronics and Communication Department of SN Patel Institute of Technology and Research Center, Umrah, Bardoli. In this lecture, we will see what is microprocessor, what is microcontroller, and we will see the difference between microprocessor and microcontroller. A microprocessor is a multi-purpose programmable clock-driven register and ALU-based electronic device. It reads binary instruction from a storage called memory, accept binary data as a input and process data according to binary instruction reads and provide result as a output. Microprocessor is just like a human brain. The brain gets input from ear and eye and set process information to output devices such as hands, legs, or face with specific expression. The example of brain is taken as an analogy between microprocessor operation and human brain. However, there is no comparison between complexity of human brain and microprocessor. In simple word, a microprocessor simply consists of processor, the ALU, the instruction decoder, and few register, which are used to store mathematical and data for mathematical and logical operation temporarily. The example of microprocessor are Intel 8085, 8086, Intel 186, 280, 286, Intel Pentium, Intel Core i3, i7, i9 processor. All these are example of microprocessor. Basically, microprocessor X is only just a processing unit. We have, for other requirement, we have to interface externally with with microprocessor. A microcontroller is also a processor, but it include few additional things apart from processor ALU instruction, like it has a inbuilt read-only memory, RAM, general purpose input output pin ports, timer, interrupt controller, serial communication module, analog to digital or digital to analog converter modules. In word, microcontroller is a microprocessor with additional modules. Okay. These are the components of microprocessor or a microcontroller. First, it has a CPU, central processing unit, which is again divided into two parts, ALU, memory, and control unit. Another one, next module is input output for bus controller, address bus, and data bus. Memory, read-only memory for storing a program code, RAM for storing a temporary data during execution of program, timer for timer or counter for operation of generating internal time delay or counting externally even, interrupts for critical task, serial communication port, and parallel port. Okay. This is the block diagram of general purpose. The CPU is means central processing unit. So it contains ALU, control unit, and you can see that RAM, ROM, IO port, timer, serial communication COM port, all are connected externally using data bus, serial bus, and control bus. It is not a part of embedded chip. They are interfaced externally. So this again another diagram shows how they are connected. Next is the microcontroller. Microcontroller is a single chip computer. It consists of limited amount of on-chip RAM, ROM, IO port, timer, ADC, DAC inbuilt on a single integrated chip. The example are Intel 6811, Intel 808, 8051, Zilog Z8 PIC 16X, the famous 8 mega series which is used in Arduino platform. All these are example of microcontroller. And in the diagram, you can see that apart from CPU, it also consists RAM, ROM, IO port, timer, serial commit port on a single chip. Okay. Apart from them, there are another also a few other things that can be interfaced internally, externally, or some microcontroller is having those feature inbuilt, which is depend on design of particular microcontroller. Now, since we have seen the microprocessor and a microcontroller, so we will see what is the difference between microprocessor and microcontroller. Microprocessor, here the CPU is standalone. RAM, ROM, IO port, timer, all these chip we have to interface externally with a CPU or a processor. Whereas in the case of microcontroller, all these things are in limited quantity embedded on a single chip. The designer of a microprocessor can decide what amount of ROM, RAM, IO ports, or any other peripheral can be connected according to how many maximum limit that can be specified by manufacturer. Whereas in the case of microcontroller, there are only limited or fixed amount of on-chip RAM, ROM, IO ports. So we have to only work with those amount of resources. If we want more resources, then we have to change the microcontroller. Then we have to go for another which is satisfy our needs. Generally, microprocessor is a expensive. For microcontroller, it is a very cost efficient. Also, the general microprocessor are used for general purpose computing like internet surfing, playing video games on computer, like working with Microsoft Office, Paint, uh, graphics, all these things means it can perform any task. Whereas a microcontroller are used for specific purpose, like a starting motor or particular one function. They are only used for single purpose. Whereas a CPU microcontroller processor are very general purpose. Microprocessor, since it is run on a power supply, its power consumption is high. Also, they have highest processing power as compared to microcontroller. Whereas microcontroller are generally operated on battery power. So it should be have a low power consumption, Thus, it has very low processing power. Also, for controlling uh, devices or a single or two tasks, we don't require a higher processing power. For microprocessor, instructions are focused on process intensive operation, whereas in microcontroller, the instruction set focus on control and bit level operation. The typical microprocessor are 32-bit, 64-bit, whereas a microcontroller are 8-bit, 16-bit, or in some cases it is based off 32 bits. Microprocessor has a very deep pipeline feature, generally 5 to 20 stages, whereas for microcontroller it is five only one or two stage processing. Another advantage of microcontroller is its size, because since CPU, RAM, ROM, IO timer, all these things are on a single chip, so means it we can design a circuit which is a very small. Like if you take example of TV remote, even our ATM card consists 8-bit microcontroller which is embedded on a chip, whereas this level is not possible with microprocessor, because microprocessor doesn't have additional things apart from CPU. So it's generally its size is very large. So if you require a single application and size is important factor, then you can't use microprocessor. These are the different. Also, another difference is clock speed. Generally, microprocessor has a clock speed in terms of gigahertz, whereas a microcontroller has a clock speed in terms of megahertz. Because as you go, as the frequencies goes high, the power consumption will increase. But our microcontroller is run on limited supply of battery, so they can't have a large power consumption. So from this point of view, you are clear about difference between microprocessor and microcontroller.